Did you know you can start a profitable mini factory business without huge investment or a big space? Today, we're revealing 15 powerful machines that successful entrepreneurs are already using to make big profits from small setups. Let's dive in. 1. Laundry detergent pods making machine. Friends, the laundry detergent pods making machine is perfect for anyone looking to enter the FMCG world with minimal space and investment. These pods are convenient, pre-measured, and super popular because people want hassle-free cleaning solutions. With this machine, you can produce pods that are uniform in size and quality, giving your brand a professional edge. Once packaged, these pods can be sold both online and offline, tapping into a fast-moving market with recurring sales. Since detergent is something people buy over and over, you're essentially creating a product with a built-in demand. With the right branding and marketing, this machine can turn a small setup into a profitable mini factory business. 2. Waffle making machine. If you love food business ideas, the waffle making machine is a game changer. You can produce crispy, café-style waffles quickly and consistently, which makes it perfect for malls, dessert shops, food trucks, and even small cafes. Kids, teenagers, and young adults love waffles, so your target market is huge and always ready to buy. The best part? It's a low-investment setup with a high profit potential, especially in busy locations. With some creativity, you can offer unique flavors, toppings, or combo deals to attract repeat customers. This machine turns a small kitchen or stall into a buzzing mini dessert business that people will love. 3. CNC stone engraving machine. The CNC stone engraving machine allows you to turn stones and marble into personalized masterpieces. From nameplates and memorial items to custom decorative designs, this machine ensures precision that's hard to achieve by hand. Temples, hotels, offices, and homes all need such services, which means a constant stream of potential orders. Once you learn the programming and setup, the machine does the intricate work for you, allowing you to produce high-quality products efficiently. By partnering with local contractors and architects, you can secure regular projects. This isn't just a machine, it's a ticket to a niche business that combines creativity, precision, and steady income. 4. Herb oil extraction machine. The herb oil extraction machine is ideal if you want to enter the natural products market. With it, you can produce essential oils like lavender, peppermint, or rosemary, as well as cooking oils, using methods like cold pressing or steam distillation. There's a growing demand for pure and natural oils in cosmetics, aromatherapy, and food industries, so the market is wide open. Starting small is easy, and as demand grows, you can scale to bulk production. The key is maintaining purity and proper branding, which can allow you to charge premium prices. This machine gives you the chance to create high-value products that people love, all from a small workshop or mini factory setup. 5. Tube filling and sealing machine. The tube filling and sealing machine is perfect for small-scale production of creams, gels, toothpaste, and cosmetic products. It gives your products a professional look, which instantly boosts brand credibility. With this machine, you can operate in a compact space and handle multiple small brands or third-party orders. Production is fast, efficient, and waste is minimized, which makes it ideal for anyone entering the FMCG sector. From skincare creams to specialty gels, this machine allows you to supply small businesses and retail markets, giving you a consistent flow of orders and a chance to grow steadily. 6. Night eye mask forming machine. With the increasing use of mobile phones and screens, eye care products are in huge demand, and the night eye mask forming machine helps you meet that demand. It shapes and seals eye masks perfectly, ensuring consistent size and quality for each product. You can supply these masks to beauty brands, spas, or e-commerce platforms with minimal investment. The business can run from a small space and offers high profit margins when marketed smartly. It's an easy way to enter the wellness and beauty sector with a simple yet profitable product. 7. Mayonnaise making machine. If you want to enter the food industry, the mayonnaise making machine is a fantastic option. It produces high-quality, food-grade mayonnaise suitable for fast food outlets, cafés, and restaurants. The machine ensures hygiene, consistent taste, and large-scale output, which makes it attractive to buyers. There are opportunities to supply to hotels, retail markets, or even major brands through third-party contracts. By following proper food safety standards, this machine can help you build a reliable business with recurring orders and steady income. 8. Rolling shutter door making machine urbanization and new commercial construction have created constant demand for rolling shutters, and this machine makes production easier than ever. It can efficiently cut and shape metal sheets, allowing you to make doors for shops, warehouses, and industrial spaces. Profit margins can be strong, especially if you build relationships with suppliers and contractors. Local agents, builders, and industrial establishments can become regular clients. It's a great business for those looking to combine manufacturing with long-term customer relationships. 9. Guitar string double-wire winding machine. Musical instruments are becoming more popular thanks to online learning and performances, and this machine helps you tap into that growing market. It produces high-quality guitar strings with precise double winding, ensuring durability and consistency. Production requires minimal manpower and a small workshop, making it cost-effective. With a loyal customer base and strong export potential, this business can be highly profitable in the long run if managed well. It's perfect for anyone looking to combine passion for music with manufacturing. 10. Hot dog roller machine. The machine is ideal for food entrepreneurs who want quick returns with minimal setup. It evenly cooks hot dogs, making it perfect for food stalls, malls, cinemas, and events. It's easy to operate, requires very little training, and allows you to start a small-scale food business with quick daily cash flow. With creative selling strategies like combo meals or catering services, this machine can turn a simple snack into a profitable venture. 11. Shoelace braiding machine. The shoelace braiding machine is perfect for entering the footwear accessory business. With it, you can manufacture strong, attractively designed shoelaces for casual shoes, sport shoes, school shoes, and even industrial safety footwear. The demand in the footwear industry is constantly growing, which means your products will always find a market. This machine produces high-quality shoelaces quickly and efficiently, using minimal raw materials. You can start small and scale up as orders increase, making it ideal for a mini factory setup. Custom designs and colors can also give you an edge over competitors. By partnering with shoe manufacturers, retailers, or selling online, you can build a steady client base. With consistent quality and creative designs, this business can grow rapidly and even expand to export opportunities, making it a scalable and profitable venture. 12. Fast food vending machine. Fast food vending machines are revolutionizing the way people buy snacks, drinks, or ready-to-eat meals. These machines work 24/7 and don't require staff, making them a low-maintenance business option. You can place them in malls, offices, train stations, or universities where there's high foot traffic. The technology ensures consistent product delivery and helps build a modern, tech-driven brand. With proper location and marketing, vending machines can generate steady income without constant supervision. Moreover, this business is highly scalable. You can start with a single machine and expand to multiple locations as profits grow. It's a smart investment for anyone looking to combine automation with food service, offering convenience to customers while creating a passive income stream. 13. PVC marble sheet making machine. PVC marble sheet making machines allow you to produce lightweight, waterproof, and cost-effective sheets for interior decoration. These sheets are in high demand in the real estate, furniture, and construction sectors, thanks to their durability and aesthetic appeal. With this machine, you can produce large quantities efficiently, turning a small workshop into a mini factory capable of fulfilling commercial orders. The growing construction industry ensures a steady market, and customization options add to the profit potential. By supplying sheets to construction companies, interior designers, and furniture manufacturers, you can create recurring revenue streams. With proper branding and quality control, this business can become a long-term, profitable venture in a growing market. 14. Protein bar making machine. The protein bar making machine is perfect for tapping into the health and fitness market. With more people focusing on gym routines, healthy eating, and quick nutritional snacks, demand for protein bars is rising rapidly. This machine ensures that every bar has consistent shape, taste, and nutritional content. You can sell to gyms, online platforms, supermarkets, and even health food stores. Proper branding and packaging can allow you to charge a premium, especially in the health-conscious market. Starting small is easy, and as your brand grows, bulk production can increase profits substantially. This machine gives you the chance to enter a fast-growing niche, create high-value products, and establish a recognizable brand in the wellness sector. 15. Bath Mesh Sponge Machine. The Bath Mesh Sponge Machine produces a daily use product that's always in demand. Hotels, salons, retail stores, and online shoppers are constantly looking for quality bath sponges, making this a product with consistent market demand. Production is fast, efficient, and low cost. After packaging, the sponges can be supplied to cosmetic brands, retail outlets, or directly sold online. Being part of the FMCG sector, it ensures recurring sales and stable cash flow. By focusing on quality, attractive packaging, and proper branding, this small-scale business can scale quickly. It's an ideal mini-factory idea for entrepreneurs who want a simple setup with high turnover and reliable profits. That's it, friends. These 15 machines can turn a small space into a thriving business. Which one would you try first? Comment below, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting business ideas.